friends. Today we are going to be talking about our five senses and the weather. So our weekly reader, our Let's Find Out magazine, is called Can You Taste the Rain? Notice there's a question mark. So they're wanting to know something. Can you taste the rain? What do you think? It says yes. You can also smell it, hear it, feel it, and see it. Let's find out.
The five senses. We've all had beautiful days in the park. But how do we know it's going to be a great day? We can see the bright blue sky. There's not a cloud in sight. We can hear children playing. We can smell the fresh grass and flowers. We can touch the rough bark of a tree that's great for climbing. And we can taste the ice cream. We use our five senses to know and learn about the world around us. Our sense of sight is what lets us see the world. We use our eyes to see. Sight tells us if a cat is black or orange. It also tells us if someone is smiling at us. Do you have a favorite song? If you do, then your favorite sense might be hearing. We use our ears to hear all kinds of sounds. Sounds like dogs barking, cars honking, birds chirping, and alarm bells ringing. This kind of bell might tell you that cookies are done baking. Is there another way to know when cookies are ready? You can use your sense of smell. Your nose knows when cooked food smells good. Fresh flowers, autumn leaves, and salty ocean water are all good smells. Speaking of the ocean, there are all sorts of ways to use your sense of touch at the beach. Your sense of touch is what lets you feel things. When something touches your skin, you can feel it. You can feel the cool water on your legs and the hot sun on your face. You can feel the sand beneath your toes and the seashells in your hands. Nice find! The last sense is our sense of taste. Taste is why we love things that are sweet, salty, and sour. We use our tongues to taste. We have tiny bumps on our tongues called taste buds. These taste buds let us know the flavor of things. Our taste buds are always changing. Really, a taste bud lasts about 10 days before your body makes a new one. So you may not like broccoli today, but check back in a few years. It might be one of your favorite foods. Sight, hearing, smell, touch, taste. These are our five senses. They tell us more about the world. Now get out there and start sensing.
Okay, so we all have five senses. Let's keep reading. The weather and your five senses. Let's look at the orange box. I can feel the wind. It feels cool on my face. What do you think this sense is? I can taste the snow. I catch snowflake on my tongue. Have you guys ever caught a snowflake on your tongue? Ooh, there's our ear, and we hear from our ear. I can hear the thunder. Boom. It is so loud. I cover my ears. Have you ever heard thunder before? All right, look at the I in the blue one. It says, I can see the sunshine. It sparkles on the water. And there's a little tip at the top, and it says, don't look directly at the sun. It could hurt your eyes, so you don't want to look straight up at the sun. That's a safety tip. Let's look at the nose. It says, I can smell the rain. It smells clean and fresh. And we have a really big science word. Our big word is precipitation. Can you say that with me? Precipitation. Precipitation is water that falls from the clouds. So what is the precipitation like today? Is it rain falling from the clouds, or maybe snow, or maybe no precipitation? So precipitation is things that fall from the clouds, and that is something that you will hear meteorologists, those are the people that tell us about the weather, use that word a lot. So we have one more quick thing, and it's time for a dance break. So feel free to stand up and wiggle and move with us. Dance break!
Let's move like the weather. Float like a cloud. La-di-da. Here comes a tornado. Spin and spin. Spin and spin. Now is thunder. Boom, 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 boom. Here comes the sun.
Freeze! Now take a deep breath in. 1, 2, 3. And let it out. 3, 2, 1. Now melt to the ground. Okay, friends, I hope you had fun learning about your 5 senses and the weather. That's all for today. Bye.